So you are wondering if this HOTO cordless spin scrubber can actually remove grime and make bathroom cleaning easier. So I'm going to show you. The brand sent this to me to make a video for you guys showing how it works. This is the HOTO Swift Easy Care cordless electric spin scrubber. It has 2 rotation speed. This is speed 2 and this is speed 1. You can adjust speed using this button right here. It's pretty convenient. And it also has 4 interchangeable cleaning heads. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This one's for corners, where places that are hard to clean, then you can use this one. It's a bit pointy. You also have a detachable extending handle. This one is extendable. If you want to lock it in place, just spin it like this. And if you want to extend it, just pull it like this. And you can just spin it like this. It will lock into place. It's pretty easy to use. What I like most is this thing right here. It has an IPS7 waterproof design. So it means even if you got water on it, or even if you rinse it into water, it will still be fine. That's pretty amazing actually. And this motorized scrubber is actually the most important part inside the whole package. That's why it's waterproof. For the first test, I'm going to use the flat brush on the shower wall and bathroom floor. Now I'm going to connect the parts together. First, you just connect this one with this one, and like this right here, you spin it inside and make sure this part is locked, and then when you find the locker, you just push this one down and then it locks into place just like that. And then I will connect the handle with this motorized scrubber. As you can see, it has this thing right here. You can also help it lock into place. I will connect it like this and then spin it and then push this one down, and then it locks into place. Now let's clean some bathrooms together. Okay, in my bathroom there's this grime right here. As you can see, the other part is clean, but I will try to use this HOTO scrubber clean this side to see if it actually works. First, I will try to apply some cleaner on it. After I apply some cleaner, I will also put some water on it, so make it easier to clean. Now let's put this one into use. I'll turn on the motor like this. I'll use the first mode first to see how well it works. Wow, as you can see, the first line right here, it's gone. Okay, it actually works very well. Now I'll turn on to the second mode. This mode is even stronger. I'll just hold it like this. Let's see how long it took. Okay, about 10 seconds of scrubbing the floor using this HOTO cordless scrubber. The grime, the stains on this side of the floor, it's completely gone. This way I don't have to use towels or anything. That's much more troublesome. Okay, this is actually very convenient. And when we are done, you just turn off this scrubber right here using this button. This is what it looks like now. Okay, it's very good. Now I'm switching to the pointy brush for the corners, grout lines, and edges around the walls. Its narrower shape reaches areas that a larger flat brush cannot cover as precisely. For tight spaces, I angle the head into the corner and move it gradually along the line. It still may not fit behind extremely narrow fixtures, but it's much more useful for edges and grout than a wider attachment. The sponge pad is better suited to lighter cleaning on counters and other surfaces that can scratch more easily. I will test it in an inconspicuous area before using it on glass, acrylic, polished stone, or a coated surface. The scouring pad provides more aggressive scrubbing for difficult build-up, but I will not automatically use it everywhere. It could mark delicate finishes, so always check the surface manufacturer's cleaning recommendations first. Also, for those 2 extra scrubbing heads, you can just attach this one and to this side like this, and it will stick into place. And you can just use this motorized scrubber and put it in, and then you can use it with your hand. This one will be for tiles or tables like this. It's pretty strong. People ask me a few questions about this HOTO spin scrubber. First, can it be used handheld without the long handle? Yes, the extension rod can detach like this. And you can also detach it this side like this, right here. So you can just use this handheld one like this if you want. The size is pretty portable. Second, how does it handle corners and tight spaces? The pointed brush is the best option for grout, edges, and corners. The detachable handle also helps because the shorter handheld configuration is easier to maneuver around fixtures. It will not replace a tiny detail brush for every narrow gap, but the different configurations make it more versatile than a scrubber with only one large round head. Third, what surface can it clean? The HOTO Swift is intended for for areas such as bathtubs, showers, towels, floors, and counters. The specific attachment and speed matter though. I'll use the flat brush for larger durable surfaces, the pointed brush for grouts and corners, the sponge for lighter cleaning, and a scouring pad only for surfaces that can tolerate more abrasion. Fourth, how long does the battery last? The information shown for this model does not give me a reliable exact runtime that I can confirm, so I will not promise a specific number of minutes. Battery life will depend on which speed you use, how much pressure you apply, and how demanding the surface is. The higher 300 RPM and continuous heavy use will normally drain the battery faster than occasionally cleaning at a lower speed. I will fully charge it before cleaning an entire bathroom rather than storing it nearly empty and expecting it to be ready. Overall, the HOTO Swift Easy Care cordless electric spin scrubber makes the most sense for someone who wants to reduce bending and repetitive manual scrubbing while cleaning showers, tubs, towels, floors, and counters. Its biggest advantage are the detachable adjustable handle, handheld configuration, 2 speeds, and task-specific attachments. It still requires the correct cleaning solution and sensible surface testing, but it can make larger cleaning jobs feel more manageable. I'll also leave the link in this video so you can take a closer look.